In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup computer to Dropbox. By the end, you'll have your key folders automatically protected and available across your devices. Before we begin, make sure Dropbox is installed on your computer and that you're signed in. It also helps to have enough space in your Dropbox account for the files you plan to back up. Start by opening Dropbox from your system tray or menu bar. On Windows, look for the Dropbox icon in the taskbar at the bottom right. On a Mac, find it in the menu bar at the top right. It looks like a little open box. If you don't see it, launch Dropbox from your applications and the icon should appear. Next, click your avatar, which is your profile picture or your initials, and choose Preferences. This opens the Dropbox settings window where you can control how Dropbox behaves on your computer. At the top of that window, click the Backups tab. This is the dedicated area for managing your computer backup feature. Here, select Manage Backups. When the prompt appears, click Let's get started to move into the setup flow. A window will appear asking which folders you want to back up. The standard options are Desktop, Documents, and Downloads. These are the places most people save everyday files, so backing them up ensures your important items are captured automatically. Take a moment to consider what you actually use. Desktop typically holds quick files and shortcuts. Documents is where most of your work and personal files live, and downloads can grow quickly with installers and large media, so double check your available Dropbox storage if you choose that one. Check the boxes for the folders you want to sync. This tells Dropbox to mirror those folders to your Dropbox account while keeping them in the same familiar places on your computer. You'll keep using your desktop, documents, and downloads as usual. Dropbox just keeps them backed up in the background. When you're ready, click Setup. Dropbox will begin preparing your backup and start syncing your files. You may notice small sync icons next to files and folders, indicating progress. The first backup can take time depending on how many files you have and your internet speed, so keep your computer powered and connected. Once it finishes, your selected folders will be securely backed up to Dropbox and accessible from the Dropbox app or website on any device where you're signed in. That's it, your computer is now backing up to Dropbox. If this was helpful, be sure to keep an eye on your storage and let the initial sync complete. Thanks for watching.